Okay, if you see there, the total is not same. If you see the total is not same, because you need to use this figure here. Then multiply any one of these two, multiply, make the round figure of these two. 1 rupee, 2 rupee you have to adjust because of the fraction of the cost per unit. So this was the process 2. Now this process 2, this information is transferred to your next process. Which process? Process 3. Now use the process 3 account now. Process 3. This was process 3. Now in this process 3, this information, first debit side, to process account 2, this information has come from the previous process. Once again same, sundry materials, direct labor, and this one is given in the problem. You write that one, and how much your, if you see here, you will get the idea. See the question. So 8,200 is the amount, material, labor, 100% of material is, labor is same, and 540 output, normal loss is 25% of input, and 10 rupees the cost per unit. So you now move to the question. So same figures used here, these three is given in the problem itself, 1, 2, 3, and normal loss is how much? 680 is input 25% means it comes this one, 10 rupee given in the problem, multiply, you will get this one. Now you need to find the output is 540 given in the problem only they given, in the problem only how much given? 540 is given, this 540 is given. Now the question is, what was the difference in the input and output column? So in the question they given this figure is given in the problem, this figure also we computed, this one also given in the problem. Now you find that 680 is this side, and add these two. If you add these two figure, you will get how much, sir? So 170 and 540, it was 710, but this side is how much? Only 680. So it means in this question output is more, this output column, this was output column, output is more, 710, take the 710 here, this entire figure here, and 710 minus 680, you will get the balancing figure how much? 30. That is balancing figure of the which one? Not amount, only unit column. Unit column is balancing figure. I said that debit side difference means abnormal gain, credit side difference means abnormal loss. 30 is the unit, right? So you make the difference, 30 comes. Now find the cost per unit. What is cost per unit? Total cost. I said that don't add the abnormal gain. Up to here, abnormal gain before. Abnormal gain add ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Abnormal gain ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ total ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Up to here, the same total comes here. Then total loss, so total cost minus normal loss amount. Normal loss amount is how much? 1,700. And 680 means what? Input to total. Input is not this. Don't take this total. 710. Not 710 is input. Input means this one beginning. So 710. Sorry, 680 minus normal loss unit. Normal loss unit is how much given? 170. Total cost minus normal loss amount divided by input total minus normal loss units. So we will get the 326.25. You write this 326.25 here for abnormal loss also. Where you have to write these figures? You write the figures first in the here in this area, and after that you write the same 326.275 here. Multiply these two, you will get this figure and total, and write the same total here, and make the adjustment of 1 rupee or 2 rupee here. Any side you can adjust the 1 rupee, 2 rupee here or here. Any side you have to adjust. So this was the solution of question paper 2018. I hope that it was clear to each one of you. Now move to the page 1, question number 217. Again same, 217 same. So they given A, B, C, 2, 3 the processes, 3 processes they given. That was A process, B process, and C process, right? A process, B process, C process. Then you need to use this one. Input is how much? 1000 units. First process, 20 rupee per unit. This was the 20 rupee per unit base is there. Now write debit side first, direct material, this one 20 rupee rate. After that this one sundry material, direct wages, production overhead. These are the debit side, and output process transfer to B, this one and 10% is normal loss, 3 rupees is the scrap per unit. We will go to the answer now. See, so this was the solution that you need to answer now. See, one by one. How much input is given? Input is given 1000 units, 20 rupee rate. So this was total. Material given, sundry, wages given, production overhead is given. These are the information given, and 10% of normal loss. 10% normal loss of this 1000, 10%, 1100 rupees. Then 3 rupee per unit is they given, 300. Then process 2. Process 2 means 920 is the output given in the problem, that is process 2 transferred. Now the question is, these are the information that I marked here now, red marker, those things information given in the problem. Then what about this information? This information is not given in the problem. We will mark here now to identify you. This entire information is not given. Now you need to do that. What actually? Take the total of 1000, this total, and you find these two total now. Which side is more? So we will mark one more time, then it may be clear to all of you. Now, if you see this one, the first debit side 1000, and this side is how much? They given the problem 109.20, 1020. This side is more, so obviously comes difference this side. That was a 20 is the abnormal. Debit side means abnormal gain. So you need to find now. Once again same up to here total cost, you write the same here, total cost, then minus normal loss amount, then input total here, and normal loss units here, 46 rupee comes. The same 46 is written here and here. Now there is no question of rounding off the numbers, because both sides 46 is a round figure is there. You multiply 46 both the side, so multiply. Now no need to adjust the fractions. You will get the total of what? Total of the total column is same. This was the answer for the process 1. Now move to the process 2. The process 2 is like this. Once again you take the first information from the last input, right? After that sundry materials, wages and production are given in the problem. And normal loss is how much? 5% is, if you refer the question, 5% of the input. Input is 920, 5% is 46. 5 rupee rate is given, total is 230, and you multiply all these three. What you will get? You will get the output also given. Say 870. Output is 870, but output 870, but fraction is not given. Means fraction means what? Rates are not given. Whatever the things that I marked now, up to here only they given the information. After that, you need to do that. The difference is to be computed by using the fractions. How the fractions are to be used? The fractions are to be used. The solution now. The solution is like this. Once again same, you need to add the total cost here, right? Total cost minus, as I said, that normal loss amount, then total input minus normal loss units. By using all these three things, you may get that cost per unit is how much? Fraction. That was the question now. If the question comes to fraction, then you need to adjust the difference. How to adjust the difference? Any side, this side or this side, you have to adjust. Say, keep the same figure here. I will clear you. Once again the answers like this. Okay, this information is given by balancing figure. This information is balancing figure. Balancing figure is the question. This was the balancing figure. Then you adjust the question, you will get the answer for the process 2. Now move to the process 3. The process 3 is like this. Just you go to the same type answer, right? So it is transferred from the process 2. Then after this process 2, you may use this one, and this one. You multiply these two, you will get the finished stock and 80, and then you are getting the answer for the same. Thank you.